This is Mohammed Hassan Meraz. Welcome to another solution tutorial of SolidWorks. Today we are going to solve this 3D problem. In this 3D problem, this is the isometric view, this is the top view, this is the front view, and this is the right side view. First of all, I will start drawing from the front view. In the front view, I will draw a corner rectangle here of 4 by 10 unit. Then I will draw again another corner rectangle here of dimension 4 by 10 unit. From that I will draw a semicircle of radius 10. After that I will extrude boss it to 16 minus 3. Okay, let's select the front plane. Now select sketch. Now select corner rectangle and draw a corner rectangle of 4 by 10 unit. Now again select corner rectangle and draw another corner rectangle of 4 by 10 unit. Now select the center point arc and draw a semicircle. Now press OK. Now select the trim entities and trim all the unnecessary part. Now press OK. Now isometric it for better view. Now go to features and then extrude boss. Now extrude boss it to 16 minus 3 unit. I am changing the direction. Now press OK. Now here you can see in the right side of the plane, you can see we have another extrude cut, and this extrude cut has a distance from this side is 1.5 unit, and the lower side distance we can see the total distance from here to here is 4 unit. So the distance from here and this line will be 2 unit. Okay, so the distance from horizontal line is 2 unit and distance from the vertical line is 10 unit. Then I will extrude cut it to through all. Now selecting the right plane. Now select sketch. Now normal to it. Now again select the corner rectangle and draw a corner rectangle. Now select smart dimension and dimension it from the vertical line is 1.5 unit, and now dimension it from the horizontal line is 2 unit. Now dimension it to 10 unit. Now isometric it for a better view. Go to features. Now extrude cut. Now extrude cut it to through all both. Now press OK. After that we can see that here we have two cut here simultaneously. The first upper circle has a dimension of 5 diameter and the lower circle has a dimension of 4 diameter, and from the top view you can see that it has a distance from these two lines is 6.5 unit, and it is drawn center to the line. So first of all at the top plane top surface I will draw a 5 diameter circle. Then I will take a reference plane of distance of 0.5 unit. As we have seen previously, the total distance is here is 2 unit. So this small portion I think it will be 0.5 unit. So first of all I draw a 5 diameter circle. Then I will take a reference plane below 0.5 unit distance. Then I will draw a 4 unit circle. Then I will loft cut it. So selecting the top face, now sketch, now normal to it. Now select circle and draw a circle of 5 diameter. Now select smart dimension. Now dimension it from here to here is 6.5 unit. Now press OK. Now isometric it for a better view. Now exit sketch. Now select this face. Now select reference. Now select plane. Now select distance 0.5 in it. Now flip the offset. Now press OK. Now isometric it. Now select this and now sketch. Now after that isometric. Now normal to it. Now select a circle and draw a circle of 4 diameter. Now isometric it. Now exit sketch. Now select the lofted cut option and then select the previous sketch and the new sketch. Now press OK. Now you can see we have got our lofted cut. Now in the sketch we can see that we have another extrude cut of circle of 4 diameter. So I will select this face. Now I am selecting this face. Now select sketch. Now convert into this. Now it automatically draw a 4 diameter circle. Now go to features and extrude cut and extrude cut it to through all. After that we can see in the front plane we have another shape like this one. For making this shape, first of all I will draw a circle and the circle has a diameter radius of 5 unit, and from the circle I'll take a point here, and from here to here this point has a distance of 13 divided by 2, which will be 6.5, and from here I will draw a tangent line to this circle. After that I will take a center line here and mirror the opposite line here. Then I will trim this part and then I will close the shape and then extrude boss, and I will extrude boss it to 3 unit. So select this face. Now sketch. Now normal to it. Now I am selecting a circle and draw a circle of 5 radius. Now select smart dimension and select this circle and dimension it to 5 plus 4, as it has a horizontal vertical distance is total 9 unit. Now press OK. Now select a point and place a point here and dimension this point to 13 divided by 2 unit. 13 divided by 2 unit. Now press OK. After that select a line and place the line to the point and draw a tangent line. And now select the center line option and draw a center line. Now select mirror entities to mirror, select the tangent line and mirror about, select the center line. Now press OK. After that select line and close the shape. Now select the trim option and trim it. Now press OK. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features and extrude boss, and now extrude boss it to 3 unit. Now press OK. As we don't need this plane anymore, so I am hiding this plane. After that you can see that in here in our drawing we have fillet here and here. If we assume the shape, the fillet diameter fillet radius will be 1 unit. You can cross check it by placing 0.5 unit or 1 unit, then you will see that the by taking 1 unit 3D shape it matches this 3D view. So I am selecting the fillet option. Selecting the fillet option. Now dimension it to 1 unit. Now select align. Now press OK. You can see that our fillet is quite matching this shape. Now after that we can see we have a extrude cut from here, and this extrude cut has a M8 hole. So I will draw a 8 diameter circle, constructed circle, and from that constructed circle I will draw a M8 hole. And if you want, you can draw a inner thread. So I will also draw that. So selecting this face, now sketch, now normal tweet, now select circle and place the circle to the previous uh, point, and now dimension it to 8 diameter. Now right click your mouse and now construction geometry. Now isometric it for a better view. Now exit sketch. Now select the whole widget option and select this option, then select M8 whole size, and you can select, as you can see here we have a dimension of 3 here, and we have a dimension of 3 unit here and another thickness of 1.5, so it will be 3 unit and it will be 1.5. So by taking 5 unit it will be enough. So I'm taking the dimension here to 5 unit, and also taking the same. Now go to position, now select 3D sketch and place your circle. Now press OK. So as I said, you can also draw a thread here. For drawing a thread, you can start here the thread option and you will get the thread tool. Okay, and from here I am selecting the same hole size I have used to make a thread, and I am selecting the extrude thread option this time. So select this line. Now for a better view you can change the orientation, so it is quite good. So I am pressing OK. So here you can see we have got the thread shape in the inner side. So we have almost finished drawing our sketch. Thank you for watching till the end.
Thanks for watching, and keep learning. Be different.